Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Iman Syirah Bangestu and I'm from SA class. So, I'm in here. I wanna tell you or explain it to you about our project in here. The name is Smartphone. So, in here there is a lot of stuff from this in the corner. In the corner, there is series, series switch, and this one there is single switch, and this one there is a lamp. This one the name is delay module, and this one the name is dimmer. This one is microbit, and this one the number fan. Yeah. So I will tell you about the function of the series switch. Series switch is the function is for connecting single switch with the lamp. So if we turn if we press off the switch, press down the switch, it will be the single switch. It will be connect with the lamp. So we could control the lamp with the single switch. But if we press up the series
Don
switch,
bergetar kak.
the lamp it will be connect to delay module. It will be connect to delay module and connect to microbit. So if connect to microbit, so we could control the lamp with the website. So and in here there is the dimmer. Dimmer, the function is for controlling the fan. So in here I will explain to you how to controlling the lamp and the fan with the website. So come here. So in here there is a program that I already make it. So in here I will connect first to microbit, yeah, with the cable USB. So I will download first. I will download, and as already download, we go to the website. We connect to microbit in here. We connecting the microbit, and if already connect, so in here there is a choose lamp, automatic, and fan. This fan for controlling the fan. If we pull the fan, so it will be off. Like that. So this one also there is a lamp. If we turn on the lamp in here, it will be turn on before. So and in here also there is a automatic. If we turn on the automatic, if we turn on the automatic, it will be connected to sensor LDR in here. And if this sensor will make it dark, so the lamp it will be on. And if the sensor the lamp it will be off. Yeah. So if we make it dark, the sensor it will be on the lamp. But if we turn on the lamp, so in here I will change able with my friend for make it the program. So,
Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'll continue for making the tutorial That's before Dimas already give me the time for showing you guys the tutorial for making the code or the program. Okay, so we just start. The first, you guys need to open Microsoft Make Code for Microbit. Then after that, you guys can open a new project, and then make the name is Smart House. Okay, then after that, if already like this, you guys need to add the extension, and the extension name is Bluetooth. Just search it, and then take this and remove extension. Yeah, just like that. Just follow my instruction. Then after that, you guys can going to the Python, because we will going to make the code using a Python. So we just start. The first, I will make this code. So I'll just make the code first. Then after that, I'll explain to you guys the code. So dev on Bluetooth connected, then basic show icon, and then the icon is happy. Okay, next. So this code is the meaning of this code is on Bluetooth connected. The LEDs in here, yeah, you guys could see in here, will get showing a happy icon or a smile icon. Okay, next, now making the disconnected one, because before we already make the connected one. Dev on Bluetooth disconnected. Yeah, so on Bluetooth disconnected, we're just making basic show icon, and then the icon I'll make it set. Okay, and the last one, dev and then okay, only that. So right now we will making this one is the same thing, the dev on Bluetooth connected and the dev on Bluetooth disconnected, but the different one is only on the show icon and then in the function of connected and disconnected. Okay, next, we'll make it the Bluetooth system. So just enter. So the first, we will make it we'll take the on Bluetooth apa dev word data receive, so on word data receive, we'll make it like this: global, nama, angka, and otomatis. And then this one, nama equal Bluetooth word underscore read until the delimiters. So the delimiters in here I will make it comma, comma. Okay, nice. Then after that, the down of the nama, there is angka. Angka. Angka equal parse float parse float, and then close bracket, Bluetooth word read until, and then the delimiters is new line. I'm sorry, this one change the after the pairs is not blah blah is not this, but this one underline. The next we so what the function of this one is global. Global is the function of the something that's make it variable get called again. So or for the easy one, this thing can making a variable, yeah, making a variable, then yeah, only that. The next we'll just continue, so we'll make it the if nama equal lampu then this one. Yeah, so this one, and then the field of this one is pins digital right pin close bracket digital pin, and the pin is pin 1, and the pin is pin 1, and then so there's a digital pin, and then the pin is pin 1, yeah, pin 1, and then comma, and then there's angka.
Single switch, and the lamp is the important item that we will use, and this is relay for calculating the number, the value, and this
Okay, and the next
name is dimmer for what for
wait a minute.
uh,
Okay, now Elif
the pen. And also there is the pen.
nama
This
equals
for
kipas,
and also there is the microwave also for the set or the brain of the all of
kipas, and then
and yeah, so today we will doing some
this
demo.
one.
So the first
Okay, so in the field of nama there is pins analog, right pin, and then close bracket analog right, and then analog pin, and then the pin is pin 0, I mean pin 3,
if already like this,
and then change this one to be angka.
and also we can with this one.
Okay, next
So
there is one elif
we
again,
have
elif
three options
nama
that we will use.
equals
So the first is
otomatis
automatic,
or automatic,
and
and then this one, and then the field of this code is set otomatis to be angka.
You can see here.
Set otomatis to be angka.
You can see if I click the lamp. The
Okay.
lamp will be.
So only that, and then next,
But if I turn off
this already was
the lamp
right
will,
now.
turn off
In
also.
here,
As you can see, and
we just make the new code one.
automatic.
So I'll just give you guys the explanation first. So what the meaning of this one, def on what data receive. So in the global nama and nama angka and otomatis. So this global was calling was calling uh, was calling
Our short
so global was calling a variable that's we already make in here. So there's a nama angka and otomatis. So nama angka and otomatis
the last is
was was a variable that's we already make it, but this one is still red one, still get underlined but red. It's because we don't we haven't make the code until done. So if we already make the code until done, later this one will go on. Okay, next there is the nama equal Bluetooth word that read until serial delimiters comma. So the meaning of this one is nama variable nama will reading a Bluetooth word until delimiters, and the delimiters is comma. Yeah, the delimiters is comma. Okay, only that. And then next, there is angka first float Bluetooth word read until serial delimiters is new line. So if delimiters, if angka already get show, later the angka the variable angka will, I mean is if a number already get show, later a number will get entering to the variable angka, and then will get pairs float or get changing to be a to be uh to be a string, not a integer again. Okay, next there's a if nama lampu means digital right pin. So this things was working for the light in the smart house that you guys see before in the demo, and then same as like before, kipas was like that also. So the pins digital right pin, digital pin 1 in the kipas in the lampu was meaning like this one is pins digital right pin and the pin is pin 1. Why we need to make it a pin to be pin 1? Yeah, it's because in our electronic in our smart house, the lamp was get connected to the pin 1. So only that, and then kipas also like that. And then this one elif is nama otomatis is for otomatis function. That's before we already make it. Okay, next there is angka equal
oh si kuno
0, nama equal string, otomatis equal equal 0. So in here I was setting I was making my variable. So my variable in here was there's angka, nama, and otomatis. So right now in here in global nama, angka, and otomatis there's no red line again. Yeah, it's because why? Because I already make it the variable in here. So this one is variable. Yeah, you guys understand lah ya. So next Bluetooth
Terus cara lihat website sendiri gimana Pak? Cara website.
Start the wireless
Bluetooth start.
Start wireless service and basic show icon name square. The square icon.
Duh,
Maybe that's all for me.
Bluetooth start word service.
Sabar Bi, coba dulu.
And then next in here basic show icon, and the show icon I'll make it square.
Yeah.
And then this one is set otomatis become 1. So this one I already make all of variable in here, and then this one for starting the word service or starting Bluetooth, and then this one for making we know we already start our Bluetooth. Okay, next
Oke, bisa.
dev on forever.
Kak, ini namanya apa Kak? Buat ngatur listrik.
Close bracket, open bracket, close bracket, and then if otomatis. So right now I will make the automatic system. So this one, so in forever code, in the field of forever, this is the system of automatis. So you guys will know. If automatis equal
Ya.
1, if
Sabar Bi.
pins analog read pin
Ya, so 2, 3. Okay, thank you for having me after making the code. So I know I
analog read pin, and analog pin, the pin is pin 0.
Okay, thank you having me for making the code and my code.
And then
now,
this one.
I want to show you the demo of these things.
Just
After
erase
we
it.
connected after we
And
download
then
the code
out
from
of this
Mobile
box,
to this
there
Mobile,
is
now I want to show you how these
more
things
than
work. So in my
800.
GitHub, I already make a website and connect to Vercel, so
And then
I can publish it.
pins
And waiting
digital
for opening my website.
right pin, then the pin is pin 1, then this one is
Lu malah ngelek
One.
dia.
then this one is 1, and then else.
Dari Visual Studio Code bisa gak sih Kak? Oh nggak jadi. Oke, yang ini. Okay, so this is my website robotic, and I already have
Else.
that I already made in TSC and put in GitHub with email. Now we will open the dashboard. So this is the UI of my website.
Else.
And this here
And then the else
there is
is
database config, so we can put database URL and APK
pins
from Firebase.
digital
I'll show you.
right
Okay. So this Firebase we can get started in
Right
the
pin.
console. If you already
And then
make
the
account
pin
and some project
is
in
pin 1.
GitHub, you will get general. Yeah, this.
And then this one
I
is
already
0.
make some
Okay,
project
next.
on my workspace.
There is
We will go to setting general.
so
And
in
scroll it.
here
In here there is APK and
Bluetooth
database URL. This APK and database URL, the
Wow.
link is we will put in here. And IoT is the name
Right.
of my project in GitHub. So after
value,
we connect database, we will show it all
and then the
sensor that
value
already put,
is
in GitHub. Nah, sensor cahaya, and in my website also sensor cahaya.
sensor suhu.
So for we can do this sensor, we will like to connect the microbit first. So the first the string is not connected.
Sensor
We just start
suhu.
the
Don't forget for adding the string in here.
what? Bluetooth. Yeah, just send the Bluetooth and we will pair it in
and
my
then
laptop,
comma, and then
and he will
Input.
show a smile icon. So it's sign off he already connected. And
temperature.
here there is
So this one
lampu
I'll
and
make it
kipas.
uh
So yeah, you see this
some I'll make it some
there is
sensor code.
fan,
Yeah,
and
some
there is
sensor
a
code.
line. Yeah, same
This
like,
one is
same as like
for
in my
uh
website. So
sensor
for lampu.
suhu. This one for sensor
Okay, so this is the
suhu.
automatic mode.
And this one I will make
And
it.
these things there is manual
Wait a
mode
minute,
and
I'll just
automatic
copy
mode.
from
For
here
manual
because
mode,
it's almost
you
same the code.
using your own hand. This for automatic mode, this for manual mode.
And then this one is sensor LDR.
Just you turn on by your own hand, but if you click this,
Because
then
why we
automatic
need to
mode,
make a
it's from
sensor
website.
LDR?
You
Because
can click this.
in the automatis we use an LDR sensor for working.
Yeah, that's from
And then pins analog.
I got, the
Analog.
video already make it. And after
Pins
automatic
analog.
mode, the manual mode is not working because we just put automatic mode.
Read.
Here there is a dimmer,
Pin.
analog dimmer fan. So these things,
And
if
then
we move it,
close bracket. In the close bracket
ah,
we make it
the
analog
fan, it will be working.
right.
Yeah, you can back off first. If I
Analog
just
read
hit
right
here
pin.
again, it will turn off. Okay, turn it again. And here, yeah. So I want to explain first. This we probably expensive. It's for like additional things. For we can put a cable to others component. So this
Analog
will
read
be
right
a bit
pin.
different than of our IoT. You can put in method and download it inside. And this there is a relay. Relay is some place for
And then
saklar can turn on and
analog
turn off
read
the
right
lamp
pin. Then
from
after that
microbit.
the pin is pin 0. Pin 0.
Oh, okay. And this dimmer for control high or low
And then
the electrical. Here
last
there is
line.
a place you can charge
I mean
the laptop,
this line.
phone, everything.
Basic.
Charge. Maybe in here
Pause.
there is LDR sensor.
And then
Bisa nggak bisa?
after pause, and then the pause is 500.
Put in my website. If I put my finger here,
And then
it will be higher.
in the last code
Uh,
is closing for the forever.
It will what? Lower. Well, this I put my hand, it will 500. I put my hand, it will be 200. Yeah.
On
Maybe that's all from us in this video for
Forever.
this project and IoT. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
okay, so in here we just sing this one. Yeah, so def on forever if automatis equal 1. So the meaning of this one is def on forever, and we make it a forever blocks if in the block in the on forever, and then in the inside of the forever there is a if. The first if there's the if for setting the automatis is becoming 1, so set automatis become 1. If the automatis if automatis value was 1, pins analog read pin, analog pin, pin 0 will if more than 800 letter, pins digital write pin, digital pin 1 will going to be getting a value 1. So if you guys see in here, so we already making automatis is going to be pin 0. So automatis is pin 0, and then if the automatis I mean in the inside of pin 0 there is LDR. So you guys can see in here LDR. We need to see first what the inside of the pin 0. So the inside of pin 0 is is sensor LDR. So if the sensor LDR was detecting a dark place until 800, more than 800 pins, digital red pin, digital pin 1. What is the inside of digital pin 1? So the inside of digital pin 1 is a light. So the digital pin 1 will going to be on. So if the LDR was detecting a dark place, the LDR will sending a data to the device, and then device will showing to us, and then the value was 800. So if you guys have a dark place in your place, so the LDR was sensoring until 1000 or 800. The main point is more than 800. But if you guys was in the light place, later the LDR was sending data less than 800. So, and then in here I make it Bluetooth word right value sensor suhu for making only a sensor suhu, because there's a sensor suhu in there, and then there's a sensor LDR, only that. So okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys understand my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.